Solo Ad Secrets. From first click to full funnel mastery. Welcome to Solo Ad Secrets, your complete guide to mastering one of the most powerful traffic generation methods in digital marketing. I'm excited to share the proven strategies that will help you generate targeted leads, build your email list, and create profitable marketing funnels. Whether you're a complete beginner wondering what solo ads are, or you've tried them before without success, this comprehensive guide will reveal the secrets behind successful solo ad campaigns. We'll cover everything from vendor selection to conversion optimization, giving you the complete roadmap from your first click to full funnel mastery. By the end of this training, you'll understand exactly how to harness the power of solo ads and email campaigns for direct marketing success. And remember, there's a link in the description to get a free copy of this complete guide. Just pay a small shipping and handling fee.
What are solo ads and why do they work? Let's start with the fundamentals. Solo ads represent one of the most direct forms of paid traffic available in digital marketing. At their essence, solo ads involve paying someone with an established email list to send a dedicated email promoting your offer to their subscribers. Here are the core mechanics that make solo ads so powerful. First, you get access to a borrowed audience. Instead of spending months building your own list, you gain immediate access to thousands of potential customers who are already engaged and responsive. Second, solo ads use click-based pricing. Unlike impression-based advertising where you pay for views, you typically pay only for actual visitors who click through to your landing page. This means you're only paying for interested prospects. Third, it's a dedicated promotion. Your offer is the only one featured in the email, hence the term solo ad. You're not competing with other advertisers for attention. Finally, solo ads use a direct response format. These emails are designed specifically to generate immediate action, making them incredibly effective for building your email list and driving sales. Understanding the solo ad ecosystem. To succeed with solo ads, you need to understand the ecosystem and all the players involved. Let me break this down for you. First, we have the vendors. These are list owners who have built email databases in specific niches and monetize them by selling clicks to marketers. You'll find professional list builders, traffic brokers, and niche specialists in this category. Next are the buyers, entrepreneurs seeking traffic for their offers without building their own traffic systems. This includes affiliate marketers, list builders, product creators, and SaaS companies. Then we have the marketplaces, platforms that facilitate connections between buyers and sellers of solo ads. The most popular include UDIMI, Traffic for Me, Facebook groups, and solo ad directories. Finally, there's traffic quality to consider. The spectrum of traffic quality significantly impacts campaign results. Tier 1 traffic from the US, UK, Canada, and Australia converts best. Tier 2 includes Western Europe and parts of South America. Tier 3 covers developing nations. Understanding this ecosystem is crucial for success. The quality of your traffic source will largely determine your campaign results, with variations causing up to a 10-time difference in performance. Building relationships with vendors through professional communication and reliable payment unlocks access to better traffic sources over time. Finding and vetting quality solo ad vendors. The success of your campaign begins before you ever get a click. It starts with choosing the right traffic partner. Think of it this way. Your marketing funnel is like a high-performance sports car, but the vendor controls the quality of fuel you're putting into it. So what makes a quality solo ad vendor? They maintain a clean, responsive list, specialize in specific niches, deliver targeted traffic, value long-term partnerships, practice complete transparency, and provide performance insights. Here's your 4-step process for finding great vendors. First, Research vendors by exploring marketplaces like UDIMI and Traffic for Me, specialized vendors, and Facebook groups to find potential traffic sources. Second, vet thoroughly. Ask critical questions about their list-building methods, traffic quality, performance metrics, and filtering processes. Don't be afraid to dig deep here. Third, test small. Start with 200 to 300 clicks for statistical validity before scaling to larger campaigns. This protects your budget while you gather data. Fourth, analyze results. Track key metrics like opt-in rate, email engagement, and conversion to identify top performers. Remember to conduct background research on potential vendors, check their digital reputation, verify their results claims, and assess their professional brand before investing. The difference between a 50-cent click that doesn't convert and a $2 click that does is often the vendor behind it. The anatomy of a high-converting offer. It's not just the traffic, it's the target. You can buy the best clicks on the planet and still fail miserably if your offer doesn't resonate. A high-converting offer is something that solves a specific pain point for a specific audience at a specific moment in their journey. Let's look at the two main types of offers. First are lead generation offers, where you opt in first. This means collecting an email address in exchange for immediate value. Examples include free guides or cheat sheets, video trainings, templates and checklists, quizzes or scorecards, free trials, and case studies. These work best for affiliate marketers, course creators, coaches, SaaS companies, and new businesses. Then we have direct offers, which are click to buy. This means sending traffic directly to a conversion event like sales pages for low-ticket products under $47, booking pages for strategy calls, webinar registrations, video sales letters, quiz funnels with paid recommendations, or challenges with premium upgrades. These work best for experienced marketers with warm traffic, proven funnels, and strong social proof. Here's the key insight. Cold solo ad traffic almost always converts significantly better to opt-ins than direct purchases. Your free offer needs to solve one urgent problem, be consumable quickly in 5 to 15 minutes, provide a visible before and after transformation, and lead naturally into your paid product. Crafting the perfect landing page. Your landing page is where the magic or the mess happens. It's the bridge between click and conversion, transforming curious visitors into committed leads. Solo ad traffic requires a different kind of landing page because these visitors are cold, quick to judge, unfamiliar with your brand, often distracted, and predominantly on mobile devices. Here are the essential components for a high-converting landing page. First, an attention-grabbing headline that answers, "What's in it for me?" This is the most important element on your page. Second, a supporting subheadline that expands on your promise and provides additional clarity about your offer. Third, benefit-driven bullet points that highlight outcomes rather than features. Focus on what the prospect will achieve. Fourth, strategic visuals that enhance conversion without distracting from your main message. Fifth, a frictionless opt-in form asking for minimal information, usually just first name and email address. Sixth, an action-oriented call-to-action button with benefit-focused language like, "Get my free guide now." Finally, create a distraction-free environment with no navigation or exit paths. You want visitors focused on one decision, to opt in or leave. Writing emails that get clicks. Whether the vendor writes the email or you craft it yourself, that single message determines whether your solo ad traffic clicks through eagerly or ignores your offer entirely. The best solo ad emails feel personal, address specific pain points, establish credibility quickly, and create urgency without hype. Let's start with compelling subject lines. Your subject line determines whether your email gets opened or ignored. The best subject lines create curiosity, promise specific benefits, or leverage urgency. They should be 5 to 9 words long and avoid spam triggers. Examples include, "Is this the easiest way to lose weight?" or "Quick question about your business." Next is body copy that engages. The body of your email should be conversational, personal, and focused on benefits rather than features. Use short paragraphs, simple language, and plenty of white space for easy scanning. Structure it with a personal greeting, an attention-grabbing opening, a clear value proposition, benefit-focused bullet points, and a clear call to action. Finally, calls to action that convert. Your CTA should be clear, compelling, and create a sense of urgency. Place your primary CTA early in the email and repeat it 2 to 3 times for those who scan. Effective CTAs include, "Click here to get your free training now," "Download your copy before this expires," or "Yes, I want instant access to this system." The follow-up sequence: turning leads into customers. The real magic of solo ads happens after the initial opt-in. Your follow-up sequence is where cold leads transform into warm prospects and eventually paying customers. Even the best solo ad offers need strategic follow-up, warming people up after the click, not before. Here's your 7-day sequence blueprint. Day 1 is immediate delivery. Deliver the promised lead magnet instantly. Provide a quick win, introduce yourself, and set expectations for future emails. This email should have the highest open rate of your sequence. Day 2 is building rapport. Share your origin story and how you discovered the solution you're offering. Connect emotionally and establish credibility through authentic storytelling that resonates with your audience. Day 3 is addressing problems. Discuss common mistakes people make and how to avoid them. Agitate the pain points your offer solves and position your solution as the answer to their challenges. Days 4 and 5 are providing proof. Share case studies or success stories with specific results and lessons learned. Overcome objections with concrete evidence that your solution works for people like them. Days 6 and 7 are presenting your offer. Make your core offer with clear benefits, handle objections, and create urgency through limited time bonuses or special pricing. This is where you convert interested prospects into customers. The key is providing value in every email, not just pitching. Each message should stand alone as useful content while building toward your offer. Test different subject lines, CTAs, and story angles to continuously improve your sequence performance. Tracking, testing, and optimization. Success with solo ads comes through methodical tracking, testing, and optimization. Without proper measurement, you're simply guessing at what works. Every aspect of your campaign can and should be tested to maximize ROI. Here are the essential metrics to track. Your click-to-opt-in rate should aim for a minimum of 30 to 50%. Email open rates should benchmark at 25 to 35% for initial emails. Email click-through rates should target 5 to 10% minimum. Keep unsubscribe rates under 1% per email. Conversion to sale depends on your price point, but typically ranges from 0.5% to 5%. Track your cost per lead based on your business model and maintain a return on ad spend of at least 1.5 times within 30 days. Your testing methodology should follow these steps. First, establish a baseline with at least 100 clicks. Second, make one significant change at a time. Third, test with equal traffic, minimum 100 clicks. Fourth, compare results across key metrics. Fifth, implement the winning version as your new control. Sixth, Repeat with the next variable. As you can see from the chart, vendor selection and offer quality have the highest impact on your overall conversion rates. Focus your optimization efforts on these high-impact areas first. The most successful solo ad marketers understand a fundamental truth. The real value isn't in the immediate sale, but in the information gathered. Every campaign generates valuable data that becomes your competitive advantage. Taking action. Your solo ad success blueprint. Now let's put everything together with your action plan. Here's your 4-step blueprint for solo ad success. Step 1. Prepare your assets. Create a compelling lead magnet. Build a high-converting landing page. Set up a 5 to 7 day email follow-up sequence. And install proper tracking systems before launching your campaign. This foundation is critical for success. Step 2. Research and test vendors. Visit solo ad directories, check vendor ratings, request sample emails, and start with 100 to 200 clicks per vendor. Test 2 to 3 vendors simultaneously for comparison. Budget for testing, not immediate profit. Step 3. Track and optimize. Monitor clicks delivered versus registered, traffic quality metrics, opt-in rates by vendor, email engagement, and conversions. Identify top-performing vendors, refine your landing page, and adjust your follow-up sequence accordingly. Step 4. Scale what works. Once you've identified winning combinations of vendors, offers, and landing pages, systematically scale your budget with proven traffic sources while continuing to test new opportunities. Remember, your first campaign is about learning, not maximizing profit. Treat it as your tuition in the solo ad marketplace. As you gain experience, you'll develop a portfolio of reliable vendors, optimized funnels, and proven offers that generate consistent results. Solo ads remain one of the most direct and effective ways to build your email list and generate sales when done correctly. The strategies in this guide have been tested across thousands of campaigns and millions of clicks. They work when applied consistently and systematically. There is a link in the description to get a free copy of Solo Ad Secrets. Just pay a small shipping and handling fee. Take action on what you've learned today, and I'll see you in the next training.